friends. Today I'm making a sweet corn chaat. First we add some boiled sweet corn, potato, then we add onions, then we add
chili powder.
We add salt. Then we add lemon.